amplifiers, it comes in three categories. It comes in 4-channel. 4-channel will push your front speaker and back speaker, so it makes it cleaner and louder. We have the sub amplifier, which is 1-channel or 2-channel amplifier. We use them to push the subs. And we get the 5-channel amplifiers, which is combination between the sub amp and the 4-channel amp. So use that 1-channel amp to push your 4 speakers and the subwoofer. The bigger the sub or the more power the sub, the bigger the amp needed for these subs.